as a core safety component. The G905 micro switch adapts to the safety requirements of baby food blenders. With its IP67 waterproof, compact and durable, and fast on-off characteristics, its core function is to realize circuit on-off through tiny physical displacement, which is used for equipment safety interlock control to ensure safe and stable use. The IP67 waterproof performance of the G905 can resist food juice and water stains. Its compact size is suitable for the narrow space of the cup cover and base. With a mechanical life of more than 5 million times, it can withstand frequent startup and shutdown. The fast on-off characteristics avoids potential safety hazards and perfectly meets the usage needs of the food blender. It has two core installation positions. First, the cup cover safety interlock position. The G905 is connected in series with the control circuit board and the motor. When the cup cover is not closed, the switch is normally open, and the motor cannot start. When the cup cover is closed in place, it triggers the switch to close. The circuit is connected, and the motor can start when the cup cover is opened. The switch resets and disconnects, and the motor stops instantly, realizing start when closed, stop when opened. Second, the base cup positioning position. The switch is installed on the base. When the cup is not placed correctly or not placed, the switch is normally open. The correct placement of the cup triggers the switch to close, forming a double interlock with the cup cover switch to ensure that the equipment starts in a safe state and avoids faults and hidden dangers. Overall, through double safety interlocking, the G905 realizes the motor start after the double confirmation of cup placed correctly, plus cup cover closed. If any condition is not met, the circuit will be disconnected. It not only ensures the safety of users and babies, but also improves the stability of the equipment, making it an indispensable core safety component of the food blender.